What's up, Ram fam? Morimoto headlights. I have the new ones in from TRS. TRS, special thanks to Matt from TRS, by the way, on Instagram. I'll put his link below for helping me out getting these new ones in. These ones are gonna stop the melting. I'll show you guys the spots on these. These are brand new. These are about probably 7 months old. Great headlights. I got them from Michael May. These are the Morimoto XB headlights. They're awesome. Nothing but good things to say. I got the fog lights too. XB fog lights. Michael May from 23 Designs sold them to me. Got a great price from him. And as everybody knows, when the sun hits the projector beam, I'll show you, they tend to melt the housing a little bit. So with all the talk of that going on, Morimoto TRS has sent out a lot of you guys. A lot of you have gotten the updated headlights. I haven't opened it up yet. This is actually going to be an unboxing as well. We're going to check it out, see what they did, see how they actually are going to prevent the sun from destroying the housing. Let's check them out. All right, real quick. Where I live, you know, it's a little community. So this, my boy came over. I've known him for about 3 years. He comes over and he's like, "Hey, you want some deer, some venison?" I'm like, "Yeah, you get some back, you know, some back meat, some non-gamey meat." He's like, "I'll be right back." Comes over with this. Check this out. Comes over. Now he killed the deer, gave it to his butcher, and they bacon wrapped fillets. Look at that. Frozen fillets. My buddy. Oh my God, I can't wait to cook that up. I can't wait to cook that up. Not every day you get some fresh frozen venison. He said he caught it about 3 months ago. I can't wait to try this. Oh my God, it makes me so hungry. All right, anyway, I'm starving, so let's get this over and done with. Let's open this box up. All right, here are the new Morimotos. Oh, they're so pretty, aren't they? Alright, here's some headlights. I kind of see what they're doing. They put a little hood on the housing. Here it is. See the hood? There's like a little roof on the housing right there, on this light, which is supposed to stop the sunlight from magnifying light onto the housing. It's also shinier. All this black right here is a lot shinier. Now here's the Morimotos I originally bought. The large housing is more of a matte finish. So obviously they made it shinier so it's more reflective. And there's the burn mark right there. This side's worse. Let's check this side out. Yeah, see that burn mark? That's way worse. When the sun comes down, it hits the projector lens. It has nothing to do with the lights. It has to do with the sun. Comes down, shines onto the projector. It makes a spot, a burn spot, like a magnifying glass on the housing. So that's cool. They made it from a matte finish to a more shiny finish. These are the new ones. It's more shiny. Let's see if I can zoom in. This is more shiny in here. And you put a hood on this lens, part of the light. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the headlight that I had, the original XB, Morimoto XB headlight. I'm going to take it out and compare it to this one and see what the major differences are. I'm going to pop this off. You've probably done this before. It's pretty self-explanatory. This thing's been off a million times. Put this aside. I'm going to pop the grill off so we can get to the mounting bolts on both headlights. Alright, grill off. let's remove the headlights. And of course, you gotta open up the fender access panel right there. And lift up on the white tab. Boom. And the headlight pulls out. Just like that. Gentle like. Alright, so I unplugged both lights. You know, it could be confusing, but the major thing is the main harness and the little black plug. Same thing on this side. Main harness, little plug. That's it. You get them out. Let's see the difference between the two. Alright, so here's the major differences. This is the original Morimoto I got about 7-8 months ago. Alright, here's the new one. The side bezels are ribbed. For whatever that means. I have no idea. Ribbed. Not ribbed. The major part of the housing is high gloss. This one's more of a matte finish, so this is more reflective, which is good. This outside projector beam has a hood on it. And I also noticed that the inner projector has a wider bezel on the top. And this one has a thin one. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little thinner. So this one's thicker. The other one has a hood on it. And that should help. And it's also shinier around the major part of the housing. I'm not sure why the ribs are here. It might help, I don't know, it just might be a design change. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. Everything else is the same. Here's the old ones. And these are the new ones. Again, that little hood will help keep the beam off the housing. Alright, just make sure when you put your headlight in, all those plugs that you're supposed to leave unplugged for sequential, non-sequential directionals, unplug as you would the way you normally put these headlights in. So I had to unplug a couple plugs to make sure that I want this to, you know, beam the way I want to. So that's the new headlight. That's in. Let's do the right side. All right, right one's in. Here's the left one. So what you gotta do, let's rotate this around. And this is the part that's gonna plug into your harness that's on the truck. I had projector halogens before, so the setup is on the previous video. I'm not gonna explain it now. So I'm going to disconnect this. I'm going to disconnect this white wire. The box, leave all that. The red plug plugs into the blue wire. And we're going to install all the other plugs that just hang. Alright, the new Morimoto updated headlights that prevent the housing to be burned, that prevent burning of the housing are in. They're just as beautiful as they were before. There's a new hood there, wider bezel. I'm not sure what these grooves are, but those are new. And they're just as pretty. Damn, they're pretty. And hopefully this will stop the burn. the sunlight burn. They're bright, they're beautiful, they make the truck look unique. I'm glad TRS and Morimoto stepped up and, you know, did something about this, because I'm happy. These lights are great. I also have the XB Morimoto fog lights as well. So let's put it all back together. They're done. I will send their headlights. Of course, this headlight's in a bunch of TunedRAMS t-shirts, but I'm going to rewrap these. Morimoto sent me a shipping label via email. I'm going to put this all back together. I'm going to put it back in the box and ship it back. They pay for the shipping. And I have brand new headlights. Brand new. Let's put everything back together. Alright, the new updated Morimoto headlights are in. Here they are. They're just as beautiful as they were before, baby. Grills in. Little vinyl layers in. There you go. Alright guys, just remember, the way you unplugged and plugged, the way you wanted your directional, sequential, or blinking, follow those steps beforehand. Whatever way you did before, follow the steps as you do now. Get your headlights, replace them. I think Morimoto stepped up, TRS stepped up, and tried to improve their product. You know, they're a cool vendor. Matt from TRS has been very communicative on Instagram. I have nothing but good things to say about these. Thanks to Michael May initially for selling me these headlights for a great price. Morimoto XB, fog lights and headlights. I think it's pretty cool that they sent, you know, they contacted people who had problems, send us brand new headlights. These are the replacements. I'm gonna send them back the old headlights. They pay for shipping. You can't complain. Come on, they're beautiful. Look at these things. That truck's sexy right there. Morimoto, baby. All right, guys, till next time, stay cool. See you later.